Okay, go ahead.
We're in the reverse position on belt load 1. We're going to wind 81 turns.
So there's the 81 turns.
I'm going to turn it off.
He's going to cut the lead. He's getting the first turn started.
So,
and then
we're going to put the machine in the forward position.
Yeah, you switch into forward from reverse.
On belt load 2.
Belt load to what?
Belt load 2.
Belt load 2?
Yeah.
I thought that's wind.
Oh, the wind count.
Yeah, he's on the wind count.
Sorry.
And here we go. And how many turns is this going to end up? 140 something?
416.
416. And I'm going to zoom in a little. So basically the whole problem was there was several problems. There was problems with looseness in the core rotator assembly, and as far as the intermittent problem on the load count, it was this switch that's behind his hand right now. Yeah, that's switch right there. When it was in reverse, it intermittently wasn't making the connection for the count to get through. So you can speed that up. I'm going to zoom right in. And we gave you new rubbers on the core rotators. A bunch of little things we did to it. And it rotates much more smoothly. It was binding up internally, so those rollers were kind of like grabbing as they rotated. So you should get a much better quality coil now. Hold your hand down or something. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. And I guess we go beyond center on this. And the turn count is
200. Yeah. Go in the 416.
How many?
416.
Oh, it's going to go to 416?
Yes.
All right. Well, look, this is I don't want to have too many megabytes on this video, so we're going to stop here. But I just wanted to have clear evidence that we fixed what we fixed. All right.